where does this go? Do I put it in this way or do I do it this way? What do I do? I need the instruction manual. Welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. This is lesson 1 in our series on how to write instructional manuals. Now these are procedural texts. Let's get moving. Alright, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. These are the objectives we want to achieve. So our first one is to know what is a procedural text. Then, to be able to know the different types of procedural text. And our final one is to be able to know the structure or the macro of an instructional manual, because that's what this series is about. Let's get moving. Okay, so what is a procedural text? So a procedural text informs the reader on how to make or do something. Let's learn about the different types of procedural texts. Alright, so there's loads of different types of procedural text. It could be for instructions on how to play a board game. Maybe it's a science experiment. It could be road rules. But today's lesson and this series is all about instructional manuals. Alright, let's get going. Alright, so what is the structure of an instructional manual? So if this was a TV stand, I would need first a title in my manual that says TV stand. Then I would need materials, a subheading that says materials, all the things I need. How many of these bolts or screws do I need? How many of these metal rods? Then the final subheading is going to be steps. What is step 1, step 2, step 3? Now, usually instructional manuals also come with pictures. So maybe you can think about drawing some pictures too. All right, let's keep going. All right, so now that we know the structure of an instructional manual, let's do a little think, pair, share. So if you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, you can brainstorm yourself. What could you write an instructional manual about? Now remember, you need to think of a title. What materials will they need? And then finally, the steps. Now you can use our awesome procedural planner to help you. All right, start sharing. All right, I hope that brainstorming session went well and you came up with some awesome ideas for instructional manuals. So now it's over to you for some independent learning. Now that you know the structure of an instructional manual is title, materials, and steps, go and do some research. You've already used our awesome procedural planner. Maybe you can go and look for some real instructional manuals that you might have around the house, or you can search online. All right, guys, I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.